stack intermodal train. That was actually going by for about a half a minute, maybe a full minute before I pulled out my camera phone. It had to be going by for a while before I realized, oh, there's not any second stack on this. So I'm wondering if this train either went through a tunnel somewhere that doesn't allow for the height of a second stack, which normally on Norfolk Southern is not the case. I know CSX has some limited tunnels up around Washington DC area. I'm wondering if this train was going through a detour somewhere where they had to be single stack, or if it's more a matter of the receiving port was receiving all those single stack containers need single stack. I don't know what was going on there. Anyhow, this is southbound intermodal freight, Greenville, South Carolina. Just up around that corner up in the distance is Worley. Looking that way, pass under this bridge, and then go down about another mile. There's another bridge, road bridge passed under here at North Greenville. Haven't I done a good job getting the weeds down? This will make photography of trains so much better. I'm glad to work in a place that's right beside the tracks and needs even if it does need the grass cut a little bit.